And yeah, so today's 8th session is about first discussing the homework which I have given you yesterday from the exercise 14.2. I asked you to solve from the question number 5 to 9. Cadets, keep your answers ready, and we are going to first finish those questions. This was the question, and a study was conducted to find out the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air in parts per million of a certain city. The data obtained for 30 days, and the data was given in points 0.03, 0.08, 0.08. So make a grouped frequency distribution table. So they are asking you to group it, and this is the table you have taken. And what is the minimum value here? What is the minimum value that you have got in this data?
0.00 to 0.04.
Yeah, 0.01. So maximum data, minimum value is this 0.01, and the maximum value is 0.2.
09. 0.016. 0.16, sir.
No, 0.22.
0.22, sir.
Yes,
0.2, sir.
you are right. 0.22 is the maximum value. Now the range is 0.21. You know how to find the range. The difference between these two values will give you range. Since the minimum observation is 0.01, so I need class interval 0.00 to 0.04. And since they suggested us to take as a class width, what is the class width here? It is 0.04. Difference between these. Okay, that means it's something like we are increasing lower limit by 0.04 to get its upper limit. So from 0.08 to 0.12, 0.12 to 0.16, 0.16 to 0.20, 0.20 to 0.24. Maximum is 0.22. So this much is enough for us. Now you know how to make tally marks. Okay.
Yes.
Then I will ask specifically to some children. I want them answering, rather all. Okay. It is, let me make first one of the participant, Vinayaka, as the co-host. I made him as co-host. Now, Vinayaka, 52, 53 are there somewhere. Rest of the cadets, if they join, you just make them in.
Okay, sir.
Then, coming down to the, last time I asked first cadets of class A, class B, class C. Now I will ask last cadets of the class. Okay. Who is the last cadet of the class 8A? I mean, sorry, 9th A.
Sir, Rehan.
Rehan, are you there? He is not there.
Samarth Misale, sir.
Okay. Then Samarth Misale. Are you there? Okay. Mrutyunjay, are you there? Okay. Then let me ask with now Piyush. Can you tell Piyush?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me what are the frequencies in this fifth question. What are the frequencies? I want all frequencies.
Sir, from 0 to 0.04, sir.
Yes, dear.
Yes, sir, I will tell, sir.
Tell. Are you doing it now or are you opening it? Piyush.
Sir, may I tell, sir?
Vinayaka can tell now. Prajwal is
First
typing.
one is-
Very good.
Yes, sir, he typed.
Prajwal has typed. Maybe he might have not got like voice to speak there in that end. Mic something would be problem. Yes, Vinayaka, you tell now.
Sir, first one is 4, sir.
Correct. 4.
Second one is 9, sir.
Okay, 9. Correct.
Next one is also 9, sir.
Okay, 9.
And next one is
Next
2.
one is 2, sir.
2. Correct.
Next one is 4, sir.
Okay,
Next
correct.
one.
Next one.
Next one is 2, sir.
Very good, Darshan. Correct. 2. Now, how Darshan or somebody like Piyush, kya hua? Are you doing it now or have you done it and opened that notebook? Okay.
Doing, sir.
तो मैं कल ही दिया था काम करने के लिए ना पीयूष.
Yes, sir, I will do today, sir.
हाँ, मैं कल ही दिया था आज तक बनाने के लिए. ओके.
Sir, if we didn't do tally marks, you will give marks or not, sir?
देखो 9th class onwards tally marks may not be compulsory, but if you go wrong here you will not get marks. Doing tally
Okay.
marks not to go wrong, that's the only one thing. Now everyone have got idea of doing how to do this one? Anyone have got doubt how to do it?
No, sir. It is easy.
Okay, fine, done. That's good. That's good. Now let's move on to the question based on this. Here, the question based on this is given. For how many days was the concentration of sulfur dioxide more than, very important,
8 days, sir.
more
8 days.
than
8 days, sir.
0.11 parts per million. How to find out, dear? Tell me, I'm not getting it. How to find out?
Sir, from 0.122 to 0.24, 8 entries are there, sir. So we
Okay.
can see that for 8 days, the concentration of sulfur dioxide was more than 0.11 parts per million.
See, that's you are physically watching it here, right? So, what about,
Sir,
do you
10 are
consider
there, sir.
this 9 or not?
No, sir, because the highest entry which we will take until it is 0.11, sir. So 0.12 will not be considered.
Good.
Here they asked more than 0.11.
Okay. So here the moment 0.12 gets equated, then it comes into this. Okay. These are the 3 classes frequency which we have added up to answer it. 8 is the right answer. Have you understood the reason of Kirtan what he has given? The moment maximum value touches
No, sir.
0.12, the maximum value, if it is touching 0.12, then that falls from here. More than 0.11 starts coming from here.
Sir, 0.11 lies in from 0.08 to 0.12 also,
Obviously,
sir.
but they didn't ask equal and more. They asked more.
Okay, sir.
They didn't ask
Sir, if they ask
equal and
equivalent, then-
more. They are asking more than. Okay. Tell me the marks more than 83 means children whoever have got 84, 85 onwards will stand up. Not 83 equal also. More than. Okay. So 0.11 equal will fall into this class interval 0.8 to 0.12. But the moment it is 0.12, it starts falling from this class interval. So more than that you have to watch out. Okay, be careful. These sort of questions are going to come in like more than, let me take one example. Okay. Here itself I'll take. I will just wipe out here whatever I have written. And for your understanding sake, this one, we have, like, let's say instead of tally marks, I have written frequency. And you said 4, 9, 9, 2, 4, 2. Now, in future, what sort of questions are going to come? Okay, 0.01, I mean 0.00 to 0.04. We are going to have for the less than 0.0. It is going to be 13, which I call it as less than 0.08. How this 13 has come? Children, how this 13 has come?
4 plus 9, 13 will come.
4 plus
9.
9.
Yes, this to sum 13. Less than 0.8. Less than 0.8 includes this 4 also, na? They are also less than 0.8, na?
Sir, then
Yes, sir.
It is 13. If I say this is less than 0.12, then it becomes 22.
22.
This is 24, 28, 30,
30.
and this is called less than 0.16. 0.16, less than that means all these fellows will come. Less than 0.22, less than 0.24. So this sort of questions nahi, this sort of tables we are going to have. Less than type, more than type. You are going to have this sort of tables given and asked you to draw OGU. You have drawn frequency polygon, and in your class 10th you have a one graph called OGU. To draw OGU, we will have two types of OGUs: less than type OGU, more than type OGU. So you have to convert given table into less than type if they ask you to draw less than type OGU, and similarly even for more than type OGU also you have to convert it. Okay, this is improvisation you are going to have in class 10th. Are you understanding what I am linking now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
We call this as F frequency, and what do we call this? This is called CF. What is this CF? This CF is cumulative frequency. Cumulative, C-U-M-A, cumulative, sorry, C-U-M-U-L-A, cumulative frequency. Cumulative means what? I have been putting yesterday in our 9th B group, as of now. As of now. Did you observe my that sentence, as of now? What does it mean? As of now, 3 have said yes. Next, after maybe 1 hour, as of now, 12 have said yes, which means earlier 3 said yes also included in that 12.
Yes, sir.
As of
Understood.
now, 27 have said yes. That means earlier 3, which is included in 12. Now that 12 included in this rest. Are you understanding it? I have 35 students. Out of 35, as of now, these many have. Means I'm summing it up one by one, one by one. Up to there in that message, how many were there? I know number. After that message of mine, how many said yes? I will start adding to them. Correct, na? Are you understanding my logic there?
Yes, sir.
That is called CF, cumulative frequency. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಎಸ್ ಅಂದಿದ್ದಾರೋ ಅದ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಸ್ ಅಂದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಜೋಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಕುಮುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 0.04 ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡೆಡ್ ಇನ್ 0.08 ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 9 + 4 13 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ 13 + 9 22. ಈ ತರ ಕುಮುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. This is going to be your class 10th learning. Okay, to draw less than type ogive. It's one more graph which you are going to learn in class 10. Okay, just I'm interlinking children. Let's move on to the next question. Yeah, these are the answers, right? Now,
Yes, sir.
question number 6. Yeah, any doubt? Let's move on to the question number 6. Yeah, question number 6. Now tell me, 3 coins were tossed 30 times simultaneously. Each time the number of heads occurring was noted as follows. Prepare a frequency distribution table for this given data. Now tell me children, do you prefer drawing a grouped frequency or raw frequency?
No, sir.
Raw frequency.
Sir, we should draw zero, this much, one, this much, two, this much, and three, this much.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. There is no chance of grouping here. This 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or whatever that it tells, while you are tossing 3 coins, how many heads you have got. Okay, so no heads, 1 head out of 3, 2 heads out of 3, 2 heads out of 3, 1 head out of 3, 2 heads out of 3, all heads out of 3, like that. So 30 situations, 3 coins tossed at a time. So here it is going to be a frequency distribution for the raw data, as you said. This is how it is going to be. Okay, is it clear? And here I will have 3 coins tossed having no heads or all heads. So no heads, 1 head, 2 head, 3 head. These are the 3 possibilities, 4 possibilities. In this now you are going to make a entry, and I don't want any much. ओमकार आप ही बता दो क्या आया हुआ है फ्रीक्वेंसीज में. 0 heads कितने? Tell me frequency. ओमकार.
6, 10, 9, 5, sir.
9, 5. और बताओ.
10, 9, 5.
Sir, 1 is 10, sir.
यहाँ पे ये
Instead of 9,
10 है.
10 will come, sir.
This is 9.
Sir, 10, 9,
10,
9, sir, then 5.
10, 9, 5.
ओके, कुछ डाउट है
Yes,
आपको
sir.
बनाना है ऐसा? और यहाँ पे important thing, they didn't ask you to group it or not to, like they didn't suggest what to do, and you have to understand based on the given situation, should I go for a grouping of frequency, I mean grouping of that data, or grouped frequency distribution am I going to get, or frequency distribution for raw am I going to get? That you have to make a sense there. That's important thing here.
Sir, we can make it group data also, sir.
हाँ, मुझे बता दो कैसे करें. अगर करना है तो श्रीकांत कैसे करेगा? How will you do if you wanted to do it?
Sir, 0 to 1, 1 to 2.
हाँ, देखो एक क्या 0 to 1 और 1 to 2, इसका मतलब क्या है?
Sir, only 1, 0, 1, 2, 3.
Now you have here
Range, sir.
coins tossing time, either getting no head or getting 1 head, or 2 heads or all heads. I have only these 4 possibilities. When you will group the data, you will group the data only when there is a numerical figure as a coming out as a result. Are you getting numerical figure as a result or letters as a result? Either head or
Numerical.
tail. All heads, all tails. 2 heads, 1 tail. one head, two tails. Here you are getting the result out. Counting heads is shown, but not the result coming out as a numerical figure. Letters are coming out as a result. You have, when you toss a coin, head, head, head coming. Or two heads, one tail coming. Or one head, two tails coming. Or all tails coming. Yeah, if you take just as a one roughly in this way, but it is going to be 8 possibilities will be there. In probability you will be learning. Okay, 2 to the power 3, 8 will be the number of, what you can say, points in a sample space. What are the points in a sample space? On first coin head, second coin tail, and third coin head. Like this we will have on first coin head, second coin tail, here tail, tail, head. I will have tail, head, tail. Which one is missing? You watch it and tell me.
Sir, head, head.
Headed already has come now. Someone is missing. Which one is missing here? HHT. HT. Here which one is missing? Let me tell you. T. इसका भी A है, इसका A है. THH is missing. THH is missing. Correct?
Sir, it came na sir here HHT sir.
Yeah, HHT. First kind tail, head, second kind head, third kind tail. Here first kind tail, second kind head, third kind head. You see all 8 possibilities are there. You know how to find the number of sample space points? 2 to the power 3 is the number of sample space points. This is the sample space.
What
N
is
of x
sample
is this.
space, sir? What is sample space, sir?
Oh, very good question. Sample space is the collection of all the possibilities, all possible outcomes in probability, dear. Last year we have learned probability. Data handling chapter was having continuation as a one topic, probability. उस probability में आएगा ये topic. Sample space is a set containing all possibilities, all possible outcomes. मान लो आप एक कॉइन को टास्क कर रहे हैं, उस कॉइन में क्या क्या टास्क करने से आएगा? एक टेल आएगा, एक हेड आएगा. दिस बिकम्स अ सैंपल स्पेस. ओके, जब एक कॉइन टास्क करने से, जब
Sir, how did you take head, sir? There, sir, in comma.
यहाँ पे in this I have taken on first, on second, on third coins. Okay, on first coin, what is the result? On second coin, what is the result? On third coin, what is the result? Head, head, head. Like that I took. Is it clear, Omkar?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Sir, instead of coin, if they have taken dice, means we can do group data, sir.
dice, agar us dice may be, that is the number result, but still it gives a only one, what you can say, there also it is not possible here. It's though it's a numerical figure as coming out as outcome, but still how many times it has come? Only I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 being the possible outcomes. Though they are numerical figures, they do not give you the grouping possibility. Okay, when one dice is rolled, the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's going to be a sample space. How many times you got 1? How many times you got 2? That count only will be there. Okay, it's one way, though numerical data is coming out, but still you have the not having possibility of grouping that. Okay, is it clear to you, Prajwal Gowda?
Yes, sir.
पीयूष, आपको पता चल गया क्या है ये सैंपल स्पेस का मीनिंग?
Yes, sir.
या सैंपल स्पेस ये शब्द आएगा प्रोबेबिलिटी चैप्टर में, हमारी जो 15 चैप्टर है 9th में, वो था डाटा हैंडलिंग का कंटिन्यूएशन इन 8th में. ओके, नाउ सी it is one decision which you have to make out what sort of frequency distribution am I going to have. Is it clear? Then here the result you already know, 6, 10, 9, 5, 30. Next, question number 7. The value of pi up to 50 decimal places is given below. This is the value of pi, 3.141, pi 92653. It's calculated maybe using a computer, supercomputer. Now, you are asked to do, make a frequency distribution of the digits from 0 to 9 after the decimal point. Now, what type of frequency distribution am I going to have?
Sir, single, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, sir.
Raw frequency distribution table.
Yes.
In
Raw,
this question, we did not,
raw.
sir, like that.
Yes, it's a raw frequency distribution table. This is how it is going to be. Is it clear? Now, let's say, Prajwal, what are the frequencies here you have got? For 0, how many times? 1, how many times? Tell the frequencies. Will you able to say, Prajwal?
Sir, 02, sir.
Sir,
0, 2.
which
correct.
Prajwal, sir? There are many.
Okay. Many Prajwals are there. Okay. Prajwal Harlaya said it seems, right?
Sir, 1 is 5, sir.
1 is 5. 2.
2, 5, sir.
Very good. Nice. Next.
3, 8, sir.
Correct. Next.
4, sir.
Very good.
5, 5, sir.
5, 5.
6th one, 4, sir.
6th one, 4.
7th one, 4, sir.
4.
8th one, 5, sir.
Okay, 5.
9th one, 8, sir.
8. Correct. Good. That's good. Now, just a minute. Somebody is knocking door. I'll just come. How to make mute? How to make mute? Let's move on to the next question. Children, this is
Sir,
these
sir,
are
in
correct.
this question, mistake is there, sir.
हौदा हाँ बताइए क्या है मिस्टेक?
Sir, here number of head instead of number of heads, it will come number of decimal points, sir.
हौदू हाँ यस पीयूष, ये तो ग्रुपिंग नहीं कर रहे ना, यहाँ पे देख लो उन्हीं ने बता रहे डिजिट्स 0 से लेकर 9 तक कितने बार एक एक डिजिट आ रहा है. मेक अ फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ द डिजिट्स फ्रॉम 0 to 9, नॉट 0 9. ऐसा करने से पूरा आ जाएगा ना, 50 का 50 एक ही क्लास इंटरवल में आ जाएगा ना.
Yes, sir.
ऐसा नहीं है. They are telling how many zeros are there, how many ones are there, how many twos are there. 0 to 9, all those decimals, how many are there, they are asking you to count. This is called raw frequency distribution table. Okay.
Sir, we should mark the table correctly as well, sir.
Pardon dear Nikhil, I couldn't get you.
We should mark the table like number of digits and tally
Oh,
marks
sorry,
and
yeah,
frequency correctly.
I made a mistake. Number of heads लिखा हूँ, यहाँ पे number of digits लिखना.
That-
Number of digits.
Yes,
yeah.
sir. That will
अच्छा
have
पीयूष वो
certain-
बता रहे थे, ओ सॉरी यहाँ मैं यही नहीं देखा. बढ़िया, ओके चलो. हाँ और बताइए निखिल, आपका क्वेश्चन था?
No, sir, I was just asking this. Sir.
सेम हो ना?
Yes, sir.
ओके ओके, ओ सॉरी सॉरी. और what are the most and the least frequently occurring digits?
Sir, the least
Sir,
is
most
Three and more are the
highest is 3 and
Three and
getting
more,
more.
3 and 9
Aram,
are most
aram,
occurring,
aram.
sir. The least
Zero,
is
sir.
0.
आराम से
Digit
जीरो
zero.
जीरो एंड 8 बार जो आ रहे हैं ना 3 और 9. ओके डन डन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. These are the answers already you know. Question number 8. 30 children were asked about the number of hours they watched TV programs in the previous week. The results were found as follows. Make the grouped frequency distribution table for this data, taking class width of 5 and one of the class interval as 5 to 10. Now they already said what to do. They are asking you to do grouped frequency distribution table. They asked already to do. And moreover, this being the one of the class interval and width is 5. They fixed it now. And do I require previous one 0 to 5?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
0 to
No,
5 you should
yes,
make
sir,
one.
yes, sir. 0 to 5.
Because
One
I
is there,
have,
sir. 1, 2, 3.
yes, because I have 1 being minimum value. And what is the maximum value here? A boy
17,
watches
sir.
17 hours in a day.
17.
17.
No, week. माँ बाप रे 17 hours क्या देखेगा वो ये लगातार एक दिन में. Okay, 17 hours in a week a boy watches. But okay then. So 1 to 17. So you know now what to do. Group frequencies 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. And maximum is 17, so 20 is enough. And what are the frequencies?
10,
Preeti,
13,
बता दो.
10, 13,
10,
5,
13, 5,
2.
2,
Yeah,
sir.
10,
10,
13,
13, 5, 2.
13, 5,
2. बढ़िया, भरत बोला था. Okay, 10, 13, 5, 2. Good. Now what is the answer? How many children watch television for
7.
15? For 15 or more? For 15 or
2,
more?
2, sir. 2 children, sir.
children.
Equal to 15.
2, sir.
2, sir.
2 children.
2.
2
Only
children,
2.
sir.
Okay,
2
good.
children, sir.
Now, this is the question and answers, you know, 9th question. A company manufactures car batteries for a particular type. The lives of 40 such batteries were recorded as follows. Okay, so 2.6, a company manufactures car batteries of a particular type. It's 2.6 years, 3 years, 3.7 years, 4.2 years, like that. It's point wise they are saying. Out of maybe 40 batteries, which battery like comes for more number of years? How many batteries comes for more number of years? Like that they are counting. So construct a group frequency. They already said what to do. They are asking you to say group frequency and having size 0.5 starting from, they already said 2 to 2.5. So yeah, definitely minimum value is more than 2. Which is the minimum value? 2.1, 2.2, somewhere there. This is 2.2.
Yes,
sir.
2.3, sir.
What is the
2.2.
maximum value? 4.6?
4.5.
4.6?
Yes, sir. 4.2
Yes,
occurring
sir.
2 times.
4.6.
Yeah, I will have maximum 4.5 to 5. So this is the class intervals. Understood? Minimum value, maximum value tell us what to what, where to which class interval to which class interval I have to take. So 4.5 to 5 is the maximum class interval that I will be having. So now
Sir,
the
this
number
will
of
Sir, 2, 6, 14, 11, 4, 3.
very good. 2, 6, 14, 11,
4, 3.
4,
4, 3.
correct.
3.
Now
Sir, this will be
answer,
including or excluding data, sir?
pardon dear.
Sir, this will be including data or excluding data, sir? Minimum or maximum?
ये तो पता है आपको, यहाँ पे गैप नहीं है, तो ये कंटिन्यूअस मींस एक्सक्लूडिंग ग्रुप्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, एक्सक्लूडिंग, नो गैप,
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Yes,
It
sir.
is called either continuous or it is called excluding. क्यों excluding बोलते हैं? ये 2.5
Because maximum
is
value will
not,
not be included, sir.
yes, it is less than 2.5, not included. 2.0 is included, but 2.5 is not included. Okay, हो गया? तो
Sir.
एक्चुअली आज इससे हम अलविदा करेंगे और कल हमारा नया क्लास भी बनेगा. मतलब
Tomorrow is holiday, sir.
I will teach from the topic, okay, called
Sir.
graphical representation of data.
Sir.
Yes. बताइए.
Sir, you
Chandru.
told something, sir, that ozone graph or something you told us, sir.
Oh, ogive. 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 More than type ogive, less than type
Sir, it
ogive.
will come in 9th class also, sir. Ogive graph.
10th. It comes in 10th standard. Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
I
Yes, sir.
tried to draw, sir,